The Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center School of Medicine was created to bring primary care and general surgery physicians to the most unreached and underserved communities in West Texas. Through expanded health profession and medical education offerings, TTUHSC and our graduate medical education programs have built a legacy of excellence, innovation, and breaking boundaries to continue to meet the needs of our learners and community for over 50 years. As the need for excellence in healthcare and medical education grew, TTUHSC Graduate Medical Education has expanded to provide advanced training programs across most primary and specialty fields. Today, we have 28 GME programs that are preparing doctors to provide quality care to the patients who need it most in West Texas and around the globe. Offering highly regarded programs from anesthesiology to urology, each GME program creates opportunities of comprehensive and collaborative learning because of the institution's dedicated physician faculty, scientists, professionals, and support people who join to fulfill the mission of education, patient care, research, and diversity. Lubbock has all the benefits of a big city medical center, but offers residents and fellows the ability to develop individually. Our school offers the opportunity to learn across varied clinical and learning environments, from large public and private hospitals to community and rural partners. Residents and fellows in our graduate medical education programs have access to all the benefits of an academic medical center through the Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center. Our facilities include a library with full point-of-care support services, state-of-the-art simulation center and anatomy labs, and expanding ambulatory clinic spaces. TTUHSC Lubbock also benefits from having learners across 5 schools, including health professions, nursing, and pharmacy. The focus of our institution is to offer spaces for collaborative learning across all healthcare professions so that trainees are prepared for every aspect of healthcare delivery. All residents and fellows have the opportunity to work with University Medical Center, also known as UMC, a county hospital that houses the region's only Level 1 trauma and renowned burn center. UMC serves as the primary teaching hospital for all TTUHSC education programs. Lubbock is also home to the Covenant Health System, which consists of 2 hospitals, one of which is the only dedicated children's hospital in the region. Our programs also have significant collaboration with community and rural partners to improve access to healthcare to underserved communities and prepare our trainees for diverse healthcare environments.
This institution is extremely unique compared to a lot of places that I've been, and I've seen Texas Tech is very supportive of all their residents, all their learners at all levels.
One of the things that the institution does is they provide great opportunities to develop leadership in physicians. Every physician needs to be a great educator, and so that's something that our institution has taken seriously and has been committed to.
You will always have patients that you have to educate. So I think teaching skills, I think this is one of the competency we emphasize for all.
One aspect of my program that I think it could relate to many other programs here is that I really like the camaraderie between residents. That's something that is very important for me in a program. It actually motivates us to work every day and reduces a lot of the stress that comes along being a resident. I think I feel like I can rely on my friends and colleagues, and they can rely on me.
One of the things that I would say is really special about Texas Tech overall is that close relationship that you have between faculty and residents. It's just fun. Those relationships are great working relationships, and that culture of positivity is something that can really be taken away and be a great highlight for Texas Tech.
The best part about these programs, I would say, is the residents themselves. The residents bring such a great diversity into their education that they teach each other, as well as learning from mentors and people with a lot more experience. There's a family community that develops from our residents, and oftentimes, years after someone has graduated, they'll contact me and want to come back to Texas Tech Health Science Center or back to this community to teach medicine and take care of Lubbock people.
Most of the physicians in this area were trained at Texas Tech, and so for that reason they understand what our residents and our learners, especially at the School of Medicine, need.
I think An unique feature that we have here in Lubbock is that we serve such a large area. And for us in neurology, we have a presence in both large hospitals. So any patient from this entire region that comes to us or comes to Lubbock will be seen by our residents. So the exposure is really excellent. And once these patients come to us, we do have access to a very extensive diagnostic modality to this residents. So we typically don't face a whole lot of restrictions on what we can do for these patients. So we really have strong partners here, and this has worked very well for us.
It's a great family community. You have that West Texas feel where everybody's very nice to you and everybody respects each other, and you kind of can't find that in a lot of different places.
The Lubbock community fosters a typical college town atmosphere with West Texas charm. Whether it's spirit flags flying for a special event such as something occurring in a high school, Lubbock Christian University, or at Texas Tech University, one doesn't have to look too far to find tailgating with good Texas barbecue and engaging West Texas conversation.
While Lubbock is known as the medical hub for the region, the city also offers a rich variety of award-winning wineries, local artists, and food. With a low cost of living and an average commute time under 15 minutes, there is a lot our town of almost 250,000 has to offer.
At Texas Tech Health Science Center, our motto is your life, our purpose. That goes for our patients, our students, our residents, all of our learners. So your life evolves, and our purpose is to help you evolve into that great person that we know that you can be and that great health professional you can be.
Working here is very much part of our vision that your life is our purpose, and this is true for everything we do.
The TTUHSC School of Medicine is a community ready to make your life our purpose. We are excited to learn more about you and how we can work together to provide and transform top quality healthcare. Visit our website for more information about our school and program.